about food. From breakfast to dinner, eating healthy choices makes us all winners. Fruits are so tasty, with colors so bright. Apples and bananas, a delicious delight. Veggies are crunchy, like carrots and peas. They help us grow strong and bring us to our knees. Broccoli and spinach, so green and so neat. Eating our veggies makes our meals complete. Grains like rice and bread give us energy. They fuel our adventures and help us be free. With oats in the morning or pasta at night, grains are our friends, keeping us bright. Protein is important, like chicken and beans, building our muscles, fulfilling our dreams. Eggs, nuts, and fish are also a part to keep our bodies healthy right from the start. Dairy is tasty, with milk and with cheese, helping our bones grow, oh if you please. Yogurt and butter, so creamy and nice. Dairy's a treat, so we'll eat it twice. So let's fill our plates with colors so grand. Eating a variety is always the plan. Healthy foods make us feel happy and bright. With every delicious bite we take flight.